Packs. So this is May. It seems like they're coming later than they used to. I usually do like the sketchbox the first week, this the second week, and then I do other stuff in the other week. But it seems like it's taken longer for some reason. But I think I remember seeing something like the mail is slowing down with certain classes of mail, so maybe that's why. Okay, so it feels heavy, not super heavy, but like a good hefty size. So let's see what is in it. Excited. I wonder, should I guess what's in it? Let's see. So it's sort of heavy. Maybe paint. Maybe it's like tubes of paint. What do you think? It's purple. All right. Let's see. I was right. Tubes of paint. Watercolor. Oh, nice. Okay. Oh, nice tiny brush. All right, so we got some, oh, I like these watercolor boards. I do like these because they're super thick. There's 3 of them in here, and you can paint on them and they won't like warp like the paper does. Ah, I like those. Okay, and we got 3 brushes. We got like a filbert 1/4 inch. We got like a round 6 and a little tiny round number 1. And I like all these brushes. That's usually what I use. I don't normally use a flat brush. I'll use a filbert for some reason. Okay, so we got those and we got these. Now, I don't think I've tried these before. Sakura makes these. I've used their pens. They have koi watercolor pens, brush pens that I've used. There's a lot in here. Wow. Nice. Oh, there's so many different colors. So these are, I like the little containers. 5mm, no, they're 5 milliliter. 24? Oh, wow. We got so many nice colors. We're gonna have to do a little swatch for these. I can't believe it. Well, we don't have to do the white, and we probably don't have to do the black. So this is, yeah, see, it says it's silver. I don't really think it's silver. It's more like a pearly white. Maybe if you add gray to it, it will look silvery. Maybe a little bit. And the gold is really pretty. Look at that. I don't know how well you can see it. It's very pretty. This is the magenta. That's pretty. And this is gray. Ultramarine. Oh, that's so pretty. I love ultramarine. This is the deep green. The emerald green. What color is this? Cerulean? And purple. This is the Van Dyke brown. Light orange. That's kind of pretty. And orange. Now this is supposed to be deep yellow, isn't it? Oh no. What color was this? Was this lemon? That one's the deep one. Okay. And this is the deep yellow. Oh, so it's a little prettier. It just doesn't look as pretty when it comes out of the tube. I'm used to it being a little more orangey though. Yeah, more like that. This one I think is ochre. Burnt sienna, possibly. Pretty color. Vermilion. Oh, carmine. Oh, that's pretty. Yellow green. Okay. All right, so deep green, I think. Or is this Viridian? That's not deep green. That's deep green. This is the Viridian. And the blue, what color is this? This is really pretty. I like these nice vibrant colors. That's cobalt. Okay. And this one was, I forget, what was that? Was the first one I put down. Prussian. I do like Prussian blue. All right, there's the colors. I'm very impressed with that gold because it came right out of the tube and it's gorgeous. So those are the colors of the day. So now the trick is to come up with something to paint. But I'm definitely going to use one of the boards. I'll have to go through my little stash of photos on my iPad and see if I can find anything that will include a lot of these, because I'm not sure I can include them all. Let's paint a great big rainbow. Okay, all right. Okay, I'll be back with my idea. I don't know. I may draw it out on, I may record me drawing it, I may not. And I'll probably do a speed paint and then I'll come back at the end. But I can tell you, I already like these. So, okay, I'll be back. Okay, I drew this, not on camera, clearly. This is from a painting here. I didn't mean to draw it, so this isn't my painting. I forget where I saw this. I drew it way too close up. I only got parts of the antlers and stuff, but I'm gonna work with it because I do like the, I like the eyes. I think the eyes came out good. I did find, now I wanted to point that out, is, you know how I draw with a, like a watercolor pencil? So I can erase with water, and I saw the paper is like peeling up here where I did it like maybe 3 times, so, because I was trying to correct that. I still didn't correct it. The paper is, I looked at the package and it's rag. I don't know what rag is. I mean, I'm sure it's some kind of fabric, but I guess it's not purely cotton or anything. I usually like it, but I think, I'm not sure. Maybe it's just, I don't know, but it's peeling up and it's kind of annoying. But, so now I'm just going to, I chose this because I can't finish the thought today. I chose this because of all the colors in it, and I figured I could use a lot of the colors that, that I was able to swatch, so let's see. All right, I'm not sure if I should like do like a base brown for the deer or if I should just do the colors, because there's just, it's mostly colors, but I don't know how weird that'll look. And then I just realized that I don't have any black. I guess I can use the maybe the dark blue and the brown, maybe I'll just do brown and then I'll just put a little bit of color in, because that's very colorful, and I don't want to do a pink moon either. So that's the ear, and that's the ear. This is antler, this is antler, this is ear, antler, I guess. Maybe I'll do the background first. Okay, I'm gonna just speed paint now because I'm boring. Okay, I think I'm done. I mean, this is the original, so it's a bit different, but I figured that I forgot that I had, in the beginning when I said, oh, I don't have any black, it's because I didn't swatch it, and then I went, oh, there's black. But I ended up using mostly blue anyway. What was I gonna say? I figured out that if I wanted to get like this is done in acrylic, so I was trying to get that acrylic look with the colors, and it's harder to do with watercolor, but if you just wait a bit till it dries and then you use thicker, like wet watercolor, you can get that same kind of look. So that's it. The paints are nice, you know, if you're gonna get some, that's a good set to get. and pigmented. And like I said, I like the board except for it did peel up, but maybe that's just because you're not supposed to put as much water on it as I did trying to clean up the mess. But yeah, so that was fun. So that's it for this week, I guess. This is for May. So I don't know what we're going to do next week. Probably another retro unboxing. I don't know. All right. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you next week. Bye.